everyone, my name is Peggy Ployhar, and not only am I the founder and CEO of SPED Homeschool, but I'm also on the review crew, and I get the opportunity every once in a while to review some products. And so I did an unboxing for these products from LegiLiner a little while ago, and if you didn't see that, go down to the link underneath into the description and see that. But the two products that I got from LegiLiner are these, and you can see links from those. But what's my review? How did they work? Well, I want to tell you, these are great little contraptions, not only for your kids, but also for you. I have found that they can be really good in making notes and lines on a variety of different things, especially if you're going to be building like check boxes for your kids to check off if you have a list of things for them to do. So I took a piece of just cardstock and put some things on here. And so I made some lines with this thing that makes these little neat boxes. Kind of cool, huh? You can make them as long as you want, or you could only do a couple if you wanted to. Great for if you had math problems that need to stay lined up. And your kids often will move like the tens and the ones and all of that. So just know that these boxes, there's a variety of different sizes. Those may be extremely helpful. This is one of the bigger ones for the boxes, but I got the small one for the lines. And so you can see the lines that are on the side here too, that I made a variety of lines. Now, if your child is using this and they are perfectionist, personally, I tend to be a perfectionist. I had a bit of difficulty in realizing that these lines were not going to be straight. So here's my suggestion to you if you have a child who wants to have perfect lines. Tell them to make crazy lines so they aren't trying to meet the standard of perfectly straight lines, but they're kind of looping and changing them all over the place. And I can't remember if I have an example here or not. I don't, but I'm going to just give you a quick demo of what that might look like for the boxes. I just did that quickly. And that's kind of cool. So it's kind of outside the box. And the same thing for this little one with the tiny lines. I can do a variety of different things going around and around. And again, see how simple that was. So, and it gets them to do the writing maybe from different angles than a regular worksheet would. So just some adaptable ideas. I know kids on the spectrum, me being one, not a kid anymore, but still being on the spectrum and can't get over that perfectionist thing. I understand. I even used that little box thing on a notepad, and I bet you could use it other ways too, but I made a shopping list and I thought, oh cool, I can put all my items on one side and the check whether I got them or not. Now, there's one other thing that I want to show you from the LegiLiner website. I'm going to pull that up, but this is the site. And on there, you'll see a demo video and some other information about how they part of their proceeds go to nonprofits. Everything's on sale right now, and it has been for a while. So instead of ordering off of Amazon, where you can get these as well, you would save money ordering right here on this line. And remember, I said this at the beginning, but these are refillable. They have refillable ink that's super cheap that you can also buy on this website or on Amazon. And so these things last a long, long time, and they're made really well. Just they've been dropped and all over the place at my house, and the animals haven't gotten to them. But they're going to last you a long time. So $15 is really extremely cheap. Now, there's another resource on this website that you may pass by, and I want to point it out. It's the free resources up on the top, and it has digital downloads. And so every month, the creator of this product gives you free resources. So like in June, which it is now, there's National Donut Day and cupcakes. So you can go in and click on these and it'll pull up these cool little downloads that will go straight to your computer. So I'm going to show you some of those that I downloaded. For instance, I found on 1 month there was a cipher, and then I used the boxes underneath the cipher and lines up above here because it was a little bit of a smaller space. I tried to use the boxes, but it didn't quite work, so use the line instead. But you could always cut it and make room if your student needs these boxes to put them on the worksheet. And she makes these worksheets specifically to use the products on. So something's different and new every month. So just some extra handwriting practice. For instance, in Thanksgiving, she made little place cards, and maybe your kids want to write everybody's name for where they're going to sit at the table for Thanksgiving dinner, and so that's helpful. And then you can use the liners or the boxes for those too. And then on the back, she even has activities of questions that they're grateful for. So all of these Thanksgiving activities included. So it's like getting extra curriculum resources too. And then there was this one that was from last month, and I used the tiny lines, and again, not the most perfect straight lines, but they're lines. And then there's a writing assignment up on the top that will tell you what to do with the picture and with the words writing on the pot. So that is my review for these amazing little products. And again, it's LegiLiner. Yeah, my light is a little too bright here. But LegiLiner.com. Just check out the resources. The link is below to just see what other stamps, rolling stamps that they may have that might work best for your student and for you too. So check it out, and then join us for another review right here on the SPED Homeschool YouTube channel.